Hello, and welcome to our YouTube guide on how to set up automatic replies with Wassenger, your WhatsApp CRM and communication tool. Today, we're going to show you how to send automatic messages to your customers in different situations. First, from the number settings view, click on Automatic Replies tab. First, let's set up Welcome Messages. You'll learn how to create an automatic greeting for new customers who are contacting you for the first time, or for those who haven't been in touch recently. Next, let's decide on the message we'll send to our new customers. After defining the message and optionally adding an image, we can set the frequency at which the welcome message will be sent to our contacts. Select the recipients you want the message to be sent to. You can choose between everyone or only new contacts. For further filtering, you can exclude specific types of conversations to prevent sending this automatic reply. Options include resolved chats and assigned chats, meaning chats that have been assigned to a team member or have been resolved will be excluded. Here you can add specific phone numbers to exclude from receiving automatic replies. We've thought of everything, right? Now you can add labels that will automatically be applied to chats responded to by the system. Finally, save your changes, and Wassenger will automatically respond to your new chats. Easy peasy. Don't forget to disable the automatic responses in the WhatsApp Business app to prevent sending duplicate messages when a new contact reaches out to you. Now, we are going to set up the out of business hours messages, which allow you to send automated messages when your business is not operational. This helps you keep your customers informed even when you're not available. Optionally, you can add an image to be sent along with your message. Adjust your business hours and specify days when your business is closed, like Mondays. The interface is highly intuitive and straightforward to configure. Additionally, you have the option to include multiple business hours within the same day. This feature offers greater flexibility in scheduling and ensures you can accommodate varying customer needs throughout the day. You can designate specific dates to activate your automatic messages, ensuring timely communication with your customers. This feature allows you to tailor your messaging strategy to coincide with important events, holidays, or promotional campaigns. Our system allows you to exclude specific numbers from receiving automated responses, enabling more personalized communication with key contacts. As previously mentioned, you can exclude various chat categories such as pending, resolved, or assigned from certain processes. You can set up automatic messages to be sent to chats, tagged with specific labels, such as auto-reply, streamlining communication during off hours. Just like with the welcome message, add labels to responded conversations to keep everything organized and under control. After making your changes, be sure to save them and disable automatic responses in your WhatsApp Business app to prevent unintended messaging. Confirm your settings and you are ready to go. We hope this has helped you better understand how to use Wassenger auto replies effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.